I'm feeling pretty wow today, and I'm very lonely. I'm so lonely! So I'm gonna do a little cooking tutorial until someone comes home, and then I don't want to do it anymore. So this is a bowl. Arigato is Japanese. Hello. And we're gonna make meatloaf breakfast quesadillas. Let's go. So I'm not sure how to crack eggs and record, but we're gonna try. Throw that over there. Now we're gonna get another one. And we're gonna just do it on this side. And just, ooh. No shells. Woo! Ew. We're gonna mix these babies up. And meanwhile we do that, we're gonna get the butter put on the pan. Ah! Oh God! So, we need to heat up the meat. Oh God. I don't know if this is even microwave safe. Alright, I'm kind of lost because I was doing other steps before I did the other steps, and you gotta heat your meat to beat it. You want to heat up your meat till it's talking to you, and you want to turn this on until your butter's talking to you. And then you're gonna pour this stuff. It's so pretty. To be completely honest, I've never done this dish before, and I don't know how to do it. And it's supposed to be a breakfast quesadilla, but I don't like bacon, so I'm using I'm using meatloaf. But I'm put some yum yum sauce and some Alfredo sprouts, and there's a quesadilla. All right, so this is what we got right now, and I think I did it completely wrong. I'm gonna try to open this, and we're just gonna. Bob Ross always says happy mistakes come to happy people. So, and then we're supposed to oh God. And then, we're just gonna get our Alfredo sprouts. Bam, it's a fucking masterpiece. Oof. Alright, we're getting somewhere. It's hissing at me and I'm scared. I flipped it and it looks alright, it looks good, and I probably can't even eat it because my braces, so I'm really confused on what I'm even doing right now. The results are in. I can't even eat it. I can't chew. I can't put pressure on my teeth because of my braces, so I gotta wait till someone comes home to eat that. It's good. Meatloaf good. Meatloaf very good.